Watch me eat Captain D's and homemade Cajun tartar sauce.
I'm gonna save the rest for later.